how to write it. Similar to G, it has two parts. The top part rests on the line, imaginary line, and the bottom one under the line. It has no dots inside it. How do we write it? It's practical. Let's see, practice it. If it's written on its own, it's like this. Okay, that's on its own. If it's written in the beginning of a word, then it's like this. If it is written in the middle, okay, and if it is at the end, okay. And can we connect them? Yes, we can. We can connect these parts. Sorry, this one. Let me write it down as a connecting form. Okay, so you can connect them before. You can connect it with other letters before or after it.